everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Baun CMS on CentOS 7 using LEMP. Baun CMS is a modern, lightweight and extensible flat file CMS with no database and administration backend, and it is a perfect solution for small websites. The main advantages of a flat file CMS systems are simplicity, portability, security, speed and version control. The basic requirements is to have LEMP setup, that is Nginx, MariaDB and PHP. While installing MariaDB, create a database for Baun CMS, user protected by a password, and install PHP version with the following extensions. Now switch to your terminal. Next I'm going to download Baun CMS package. Once it is done, move your Baun directory to Nginx root directory. Now switch to your Nginx root directory. Provide owner permission and file execution permission for your Baun directory. Next, provide file execution permission. Next, install Composer. Now rename this composer.phar file into Composer. Next, move this Composer to a location. User local /bin. Next, move to that particular path. You can see a Composer is available in it. Next, open your PHP configuration file. Search for this. First, uncomment this CJ fix path and change the value as 0. Similarly, enter your date and time zone. Save your changes. Now open your PHP FPM configuration file and edit the following changes. Provide your PHP FPM configuration path in this, and listen owner and listen group as Nginx, and comment this and change it as Nginx. Similarly, user and group as Nginx. Save your changes and restart your PHP FPM service. Next, open your Nginx configuration file. First, provide your server name, either your domain name or IP address. Followed by the document root and directory index. Next, provide your mode rewrite path and CJ location path. Followed by fast CJ location. After entering your fast CJ location, check for the document root path. You can also provide a Baun CMS directory. Save your configuration. Move inside your Baun CMS. You can see this public directory. Provide this public directory into your configuration. Save your changes and restart your Nginx service. Now switch to your browser and enter your machine's IP address. And this is the Baun CMS homepage. You can see all the details regarding your CMS. And thus we have installed Baun CMS using LEMP on CentOS 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.